The explosion happened just after 6 p.m. local time yesterday. Joe Aii shot this video from the port where he was working. He shared it with his friends, but he hasn't been heard from since.
هو صورنا كان واتساب قبل ما يصير الانفجار الكبير. هو كان واقف بين الاهراءات وبين المحل الانفجار، عم يبعثنا واتساب انقطع الاتصال فوريا. وقت الانفجار هلا بعدنا على فرسة على كل المستشفيات بالمنطقة.
Medical volunteers are also patrolling the city, looking for what the health ministry believes is around 80 missing people. The real figure is likely to be much higher.
We had about 200 corpses yesterday and about 2,500 injured people. We try to do our best to help people all over the road, buildings, everywhere. There were injured people everywhere, so we tried to do our best to rescue all. This building is cracked all over. The military, as you see, are talking to us about moving people away, pushing them away far from the building because it may fall in any moment.
For months, people here have been living in the midst of an economic crisis. Across the city, they've had just 2 hours of electricity a day. To many, it felt like they've been abandoned by their government, and today is no different.
I feel devastated. I've been crying since yesterday. It's been how many hours since the strike? It's been maybe like 10 hours almost, and we haven't seen any movement from the government on what's next, what we're meant to do. We took initiative on our own. We came down on the streets en masse, friends, relatives, to come down and to help wherever we can. We're sweeping, we're removing debris from the roads. We're calling on every citizen who is able to come down and help, because it's a humanitarian, social disaster. There are no beds, houses are destroyed. It's too much.